Today I'm sharing with you one of our favorite pizza recipes that we make here at home. One of my culinary dreams has always been to cook pizza in a real wood-fire oven in Italy. This year that dream came true when I was blessed to be able to go and visit Italy with my family. And the house that we were staying at had a real stone pizza oven. So our last day in Italy, I fired up the oven and cooked pizza for the whole group. It was truly a fun and great learning experience for me. Since I don't have a brick oven in my backyard, I decided to look for alternatives to cook better pizza in my conventional oven. And I found out that using a baking steel is one of the best methods to cook a Neapolitan style pizza in your conventional oven. So I ordered one from Amazon. You can see that it comes pre-seasoned and the finish is a golden color. Once you use it for the first time, the finish will change to its original steel color. If you're interested in buying one, you can follow the link in the description of this video. To make this easy pizza dough recipe, you will need a sourdough starter. I try to always use the discard of my sourdough. Every time I feed my sourdough starter, instead of throwing away my discard, I use it to make pizza or other recipes that I will share with you in the future. To start, pour half a cup of warm water in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add 1 cup of sourdough starter. And half a teaspoon of active dry yeast. Add 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of salt. Mix your ingredients with a dough whisk until they are combined. Take your dough out of the bowl and start kneading by hand until the dough is well incorporated. Make a bowl and place the dough in a greased container. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest in a warm spot for 2 to 4 hours until the dough almost doubles in size. While your dough is rising, crush a can of San Marzano tomatoes in a fruit mill, or you can also blend them. Make sure to use San Marzano tomatoes. Their flavor is stronger, sweeter, and less acidic. My canned tomatoes already had basil in it. If yours don't, add some before blending. Once you crush your tomatoes, add salt and mix. You don't have to cook the sauce because it will cook in the oven. When your dough is ready, take it out of the bowl and divide it in 2. Make 2 bowls and let them rest for another hour. Covered with plastic wrap. Flour your table and start pressing your dough from the middle to the edges. Avoid pressing the edges. Once your dough reaches the desired size, between 10 to 12 inches, put some semolina flour or cornmeal into a pizza peel and transfer your dough. Put enough sauce on your dough and add fresh mozzarella cheese in pieces. Sprinkle extra virgin olive oil over the pizza. And add basil on top. Transfer your pizza to a 500-degree preheated oven. With the pizza still in the lowest rack. Be sure to let your pizza still heat up at least 45 minutes before you start cooking your pizza. Cook your pizza until your cheese is melted and the crust starts browning between 8 to 10 minutes. I transfer my pizza to a baking sheet and put it under the broiler for 1 minute so the dough will get a nice brown color. Let it cool for 2 minutes. Cut and enjoy. This is a very easy pizza recipe to make at home. Thank you for watching.